Welcome to the ultimate guide to IPTV services. If you're ready to unlock a world of live TV and on-demand content, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through selecting the best IPTV provider, setting up your device, and solving common issues you might encounter. First off, let's discuss choosing an IPTV provider. Look for services that offer a variety of channels, including local and international content. Check reviews on platforms like Reddit or Trustpilot to ensure that you're selecting a reliable service. Popular options like Extreme HD or IPTV Box offer excellent packages. Next, let's talk about setup. Start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection, preferably a minimum of 25 megabits per second for HD streaming. Once you've selected your provider, download their app or configure it on a compatible device, such as an Android TV, Fire Stick, or even a smart TV. After installation, you'll need to enter your subscription details. This usually consists of a username and password provided by your IPTV service. Make sure to also check the settings for the best viewing quality. Setting it to 1080p can significantly enhance your experience. Now let's address common mistakes. One major pitfall is not regularly updating your IPTV app. Always make sure you're using the latest version to avoid buffering issues and enjoy the latest features. Additionally, consider using a VPN. It not only protects your privacy, but can also help you access geo-restricted content. If you encounter buffering, check your internet connection speed using a service like speedtest.net. If your speed is below the recommended level, try restarting your router or contacting your ISP. For buffering issues, reducing the stream quality in settings can also help. Lastly, understanding your IPTV service's customer support options is essential. Many providers offer 24/7 support through live chat or email. Don't hesitate to reach out if you run into problems. To recap, choosing the right IPTV service, setting up correctly, and knowing how to troubleshoot are key to enjoying a seamless experience. Now go ahead and explore the world of IPTV. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.